Valle de Bravo is one of Mexico's 9 Pueblo Mágicos, magic towns, recognized by the Mexican government for its innate charm, history, and cultural significance. It is in this picturesque town that the prominent Mexican architects of PPAA have composed this contemporary forest retreat. La Colorada appears as 2 dislocated buildings emerging from the earth, an A-frame structure atop a concealed foundation covered by a large terrace. This terrace extends from the sheltered outdoor living space and wraps around the house, acting as a viewpoint to pause and take in the forest's natural beauty. Beneath this outlook, a portico runs along the length of the building and provides an alternative entrance into the home's private areas. The house integrates harmoniously into the environment, surrounded by vegetation in all directions. The construction of the A-frame structure was achieved by combining prefabricated elements on site. A submerged staircase on the terrace unites the 2 parts and serves as the threshold between public and private. It connects the 2 moments of the house, contemplation and introspection. One of the most notable aspects of this house is the use of the subterranean element to house the bedrooms, providing a unique sense of privacy and connection with the surrounding nature. The main level of the house features a spacious area, including a semi-open living and dining area, a kitchen, and a family room. These spaces were designed with a minimal construction footprint to prioritize the terrace. The palette focuses on one primary material, certified timber, to convey a sense of admiration and respect for the home's surroundings. Stainless steel, onyx joinery, and hand-finished walls evoke an unpretentious sensibility and give prominence to the forest. La Colorada is an architecture that shies away from protagonism. On the contrary, it is a residence that blends with the landscape and, at times, disappears into nature. Camouflaged on the lower level of the house, the bedroom block was born from the desire for privacy, balanced with a close connection to the forest. Here we find 3 bedrooms, with ensuite bathrooms and a small studio. Inside, the minimalist design is combined with natural materials in neutral tones.